What's up, guys? It's your boy. Yeah. PK. I don't know why I choose that. Why is it always lagging? Anyways, we're gonna be playing some Animal Company copies or clones, whatever you want to call them.
Playing this game. It's
So,
called Float Company. Download it
yeah.
if you want.
Also, we're playing with my friend. Neon Falcon couldn't make it, sadly, and there's a chubbier snail. And my stomach's kind of hurting right now.
And this is like a copy of Animal Company, but like not really.
All right. So let's get into it.
No, I'm gonna go on the stage.
No stage for you. Leave me alone. Ah!
What should we do?
We need flashlights and a backpack.
Whoa, why are you so fast?
Yeah, I played this game before. Oh, he's
my
trapped.
gosh, what is that? What is that? Go back. Wait, no. No, what is that?
Gonna buy him some flashlights.
What? Where do I go? Where am I?
Oh, what
Yo,
the frick?
dude.
Why is it in the
There's a
spawn?
creature. I don't know.
Also, you can't click A, you have to drop it. You have to
Yo,
hold.
what?
Why the heck is the Get over here!
No.
Boom! Alright, let's go.
Wait. Yo, the capybara looking thing's still following you, bro. So let it
Oh my
touch
gosh,
the landmine or
bro.
something, bro. What is this? Get a
We're in
flashlight.
forest?
Dude, the flashlight's even source any light? What? Why is there
The
there?
flashlight's very source
There,
any
there's
light.
that.
Oh, I got hit.
I died. What?
How did you die?
Yo.
Yeah, these capybaras do nothing, bro. Oh, get you. Oh! I think it's just like a big area. I don't think it's like there's anything to actually do in this game.
Hoverboard? Back in my day, we didn't have
I'm gonna go in the dark
things.
because I'm a real man. Oh! Yes! Oh! Well, that didn't work out.
I got a backpack. Got my backpack.
You got a backpack. Wow.
I got a backpack.
Very majestic.
I
Yo,
got a backpack.
step on this landmine for free candy. Ah!
I died.
Yo, we're like the colors of the rainbow. You're red and I'm orange.
I do not look.
I think I may have killed us both. I'm on a suicide mission. I'm going to have to explode this landmine. Wait, whoever survives the landmine gets 1 million. What are these monies called? $10 million. Let's go. Looks like this contestant did not survive. You, sir, stand on this landmine, and if you survive this landmine, you get $10 million. Go!
No, I want to go.
Also, this grass is kind of bad because it's not even with you and me. Because you just faced through. You're on top now. Look at me, bro. Am I going through stuff, kind of?
No, you're floating. You're floating. Basically,
Yeah, see?
basically touching. Oh yeah, you just faced through that. That was you swimming, bro.
Ooh.
All right.
Yeah, I don't like this. This is scary,
There's
bro.
nothing to grab. So. Ew. No.
See ya! My mission is to explode a landmine. Woo! Ah! Oh. Come back, bro. Come back, Easton. Easton.
Ah.
Oh. Alright, we're gonna cut to the next game. Guys, I got shot by my friend when I was trying to record. But we're in the next game, Monkey Company. It's just an OG version of, let me do my intro. And it's just an OG version of Animal Company. So we're gonna play it, because yeah. Yippee! Alright. Wait. Okay. You missed! Can't kill me! Easy!
Nah, let me use one shotgun, bro. Let me get mine. Let me get mine. Oh, bro, why is this? Why did you? Shotgun. Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh my god, you just went flying, dude.
Oh, okay. Yo, hold up. I can recreate one of my oldest videos. Oh my gosh, I can recreate one of my oldest videos.
Wow.
No more shotguns, bro. I could create
let's go get chicken.
Okay. It was one of those videos. Remember those pranks in like Animal Company OG, where it was like,
Yes.
yo, your shoe's untied. Oh, really? And then the grenade falls out. Dang, bro, that's one of my oldest videos, and I can just recreate it here. Anyways, if he's gonna go kill the chicken, I am too. Let's go! Also, thank y'all for like 1K views on like my latest short, bro. I really appreciate it. Yo, Easton. Oh, where'd he go? Easton, Easton. For some reason, when I make videos, it doesn't let me enable comments, even though I click no, it's not for kids. What do I do?
That's happened with me before. Sometimes at the top of the video or the below the video, there's 3 dots, and then click on those 3 dots, then click on edit, and then click show more, and then click like what the comments little thingy icon, and then it should say offer.
Oh, we killed it immediately.
Got it.
Ultimate betrayal. I'm taking that egg. Ultimate betrayal. I'm so evil. I'm so evil. Ha 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 ha. Ah! Ah! Calm down, Woody. We're your friends. Shut up, Buzz. I'll kill you. Why can't we just make amends? Shut up, Slink. I'm gonna kill you. Give me that egg, boy. my evil master plan did not work. That's sad.
Let's sell it.
All right, well, we got the chicken egg.
Sell it.
No, my chicken egg! No!
Dude, your like mic cut off. That was so funny.
Ooh, I want to go in the cell machine. It's like a nice, cozy home. I got like 3 stories, and it's just so awesome. No, don't kill me.
I'm the policeman.
I'm the policeman.
No, sell
Give
me.
me all your money.
I mean, don't.
Give me all your money.
Please don't sell me. Oh no. Ah! Whoa! Whoa. We're in the next game, and it's called Richard Company. So, I tried changing my color, but it turns blue.
How do we change your car?
It's right here, dog. It doesn't work properly.
Bro, I'm so black.
You have to click enter.
Oh.
How does 1 green and 10 blue make green, though? This game doesn't make sense. Also, these physics for ragdolls are button. Look. What type of ragdoll physics are these? What the heck?
Yo, why did Wait, dude, you know what I just
Do you see
realized?
my
What
name?
this game
Wait,
is-
it says hello, my name is. Does it say that on me?
Yeah, hello, my name is Poop.
Hey.
Oh, dude, look. It's him.
Is it him? Oh my gosh, it's Chubbier Snail. But he doesn't have the crown. This can't be Chubbier Snail.
Dude, we need
Also, why are our necks non-existent? If you look at our shadows, our necks are non-existent. Like jump up and then see your...
armor.
We have no necks, bro. We are floating heads. Oh my gosh, it's the scary bomb. Does it explode? It explodes. Yo, these ragdolls are bad, bro.
What's on my screen? What were you doing to
I don't know. Let's go back. Where's bro at? Where did bro go? Yo, what is this? What is this stump? Yo, look at the stump, bro.
Yo, why does this thumb shaped like that, bro?
I don't know. But we must see what's over here, dog.
Bro, we gotta watch out for that bomb.
Oh, shoot, the bomb's here. Get Jude's bomb, you stink. Hey, I'm walking here. Hey, I'm walking here. Yo, why does it have to take 5,000 swings in real life to move a couple inches?
What is this?
Where are we? You know what, bro? I think this game just absolute buns, and I'm going to cut to the next one. Alright, guys, well, this is Richard Company. It's kind of bad. We're going to cut to the next one, I guess.
This game was buns.